Welcome to WUH Creator. I hope everyone is fine and doing well. In today's video, we're going to learn how to stop startup notifications on your Windows PC. If you often see notifications from OneDrive or other apps appearing right after you start your computer, this video is for you. So, as you can see here, we have notifications from OneDrive and a few others showing up in the notification area. Let's fix that step by step. First, right-click on your taskbar. And from the menu that appears, click on Task Manager. Now, once the Task Manager interface opens, go to the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of programs that automatically run when your PC starts up. The ones marked as enabled in the status column are the apps that start automatically and usually send notifications. The ones marked as disabled don't run at startup and therefore won't send notifications. To stop receiving notifications from an app, simply select that app and then click the Disable button at the bottom right corner of the window. For example, here we have Microsoft Edge. If we don't want it to send notifications on startup, we just disable it. And that's it. You've successfully stopped unwanted startup notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WUH Creator for more useful Windows tips and tricks. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.